Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I've got some shorts I'm going to try today. You guys are going to get to see me trying some shorts. How much fun is that going to be? Okay, so let's check these things out and see how they look. I'm not even sure what brand. This is what the barcode looks like, but I'll let you know the brand here in a minute. So this is what the shorts look like. They are black. Take off my shoes here. I'll show you here. That was the back, and this is the front, and it looks like it's got a little like hole here, so you could put in like a cloth or something like that, I guess. And then so that's what the shorts look like, and it's got some pockets on the sides with a little loop thing. So I'm gonna go try these things on and show you. Oh, but on the inside also, I'll show you here. The inside has a liner in it. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll show you here in a second. I'll be right back. And I'm back. Okay, so I got a size medium, which is probably about right for me. So if you look at it, it's got an inner liner here. Let me see if I move over here. I don't know. Can you see? But you see it's got like an inner spandexy liner and then the shorts on the outside. So the inner liner sticks out a little bit, but it does give you some protection and hold you on inside. And this is what it looks like. It's got a string close. It's got the little loop here. Doesn't go all the way through. So I'm guessing it's just an air kind of vent. It's got a pocket here on the side with a little zipper, so I could stick like a card key, my license, something like that in there. Does it have one on this side? Nope. And on this side, it's got the loop, so I don't have any of my little cloths, but I have my little drying cloths over like that, so you could loop that in there and go. So this would be a nice one. Could use it for like running or just working out. I think I'll wear it tomorrow when I go work out, but that's how it looks. And this is a medium, and I am probably about 170 pounds, so you can see what it looks like. So a medium is going to fit me really good, and it's made of, polyester spandex stuff, so it's kind of stretchy. Pretty nice. I like it. So these are good. Excited to try these out tomorrow when I go work out. So thumbs up from me. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll put a link to this in the description and tell you what brand it is and everything like that. So thanks for watching. Bye.